No, that's
This that side, okay. That way. Inside.
I don't know. Can you see us well?
Yeah. Okay.
I'm far away from the camera.
Let's go. So, good morning, everyone. My name is Eric Nyongesa Wafula. I'm the spokesman currently for the Wanyonyi family. As you are all aware, and the nation is obviously aware by now, last night we were unlucky to have lost the former chairman of IBC, Wafula Wanyonyi Chebukati. He passed on in hospital here. And present with me, if I may do introduction, this is his elder son, Jonathan Chebukati, and this is his last born son, Emmanuel Chebukati, and his brother-in-law Kuts. All that the family is requesting currently is that we are all saddened with the loss, and as the family comes to terms with the loss, we are all asking everybody, including the press, the media, everybody running the social forums, please kindly allow the family some privacy during this very difficult moment. We'll be able to issue a formal communication hopefully by tomorrow after the family has had a meeting. The father came from Kitale last night. He's also here. We want to allow him to rest. The family will be having a meeting in the evening. And after the meeting in the evening, tomorrow, hopefully in the morning, we should be able to send out some communication. But for the moment, we'll hit a situation where there's speculation. He was unwell and he rested yesterday. So I guess that for the moment, that's what we wish to tell you. So please give us peace. Then we'll communicate all the relevant information from tomorrow.
Question. Could you tell us exactly what time he passed on, what he was battling, if possible, and perhaps if the rescue loss was given?
For the moment, all I wish to say is that he had been unwell and he was in hospital. He passed on just about 11 last night, and the family is here to make a decision on whether they will do a post-mortem. Those are part of the communication I say we'll do tomorrow. So once the family has made a decision on whether they want to undertake a post-mortem, and once the family has also had time to talk to the doctors, then we'll be able to explain to the nation what may have caused his death. But at the moment, we have not had that meeting with the doctors, and the post-mortem, we have not also made a decision on whether we carry out a post-mortem. So I guess that part of the communication that we're giving out will be the cause of death and all that. But for the moment, please don't speculate. Yeah. And for the moment, please don't allow them to say anything. The one now who is only allowed to speak now on behalf of the family. So thank you for your patience, and thank you for being here with us. My name is Eric Nyongesa Wafula. Yes, I'm a member of the family and the spokesman for purposes of all this communication.
Thank you.
No, please. Yeah, just for the moment, let's rest with that, and we will give you a formal communication. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you.